Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given 4 rational numbers and we have to arrange them in descending order. Now if you carefully observe, then you can find that all the rational numbers have the same base. So there is an interesting fact that when two or more rational numbers have the same base, then the number with the greatest numerator becomes the greatest number among all the numbers. That is, suppose if we have 3 numbers and all of them have the same base, then a number which has the greatest numerator will be given the first priority, that is, it is the biggest number. Then the number which has the second greatest numerator, then that number will be given the second priority, and finally the last number will be given the third priority. That's it. So here the number which we have is 2 upon 58, 11 upon 58, 5 upon 58, and finally 8 upon 58. Now among all these numbers, the 11 upon 58 has the greatest numerator, which is 11. So 11 upon 58 is the greatest number among all these 4 numbers. Now next comes 8 upon 58. So 8 upon 58, after that 5 upon 58, and finally 2 upon 58 has the least numerator among all the numbers, so it will be given the least priority. So this will be our required final answer. Upon checking the options, we see that option C will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.